What
Mm-hmm.
was so interesting about this case is the court found that the incident occurred in navigable waters and that the parties were engaged in activity which bears a substantial relationship to traditional maritime activity. So the courts will look at, are there um, vessels, are vessels able to travel on this waterway for commercial purposes? And again, I'm not a maritime lawyer. So if you're a maritime lawyer listening to this, feel free to comment and correct me on
Feel
anything.
free. Correct us, yes.
Yeah, this is my, but it's important to pull out that there's a difference.
Mhm.
There is going to be an analysis based on where you think you're just boating on a river in the state of Florida. But if it's navigable waters, if commercial carriers are allowed to go through it, you're now in maritime law. You don't get the benefits of, you know, Florida state laws for negligence. And so there are some differences between state laws and maritime law. And my understanding, my very little understanding of it, that a couple of things I pulled out that I thought were significant is the statute of limitations is different, for one. So depending on where you're located, you might have a longer time to bring your claim or a shorter time. So there's a difference there. I think maritime law, you have 3 years to bring your claim. I think under boating law in Florida, state laws, you might have 4. The law just changed with regular negligence to be 2. So it's real confusing how
Mhm.
long you have to actually bring a claim. That's important because you could be barred.